Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to upload audio or music to Roblox via Distrokid, step by step in a simple and easy way. Every day, millions of people use Roblox to create, play, and connect with others, and your audio or music can also become part of their games if it is properly delivered through Distrokid. First of all, make sure your audio or music is completely ready and you own 100% rights to it. This is very important because Roblox only accepts fully licensed content. Now go to the DistroKid upload form and during the distribution process select Roblox as one of the available stores or platforms. If you have already uploaded your song, then you can go to your album page and click on add to more stores and then choose Roblox from the list. After selecting Roblox, DistroKid will forward your audio or music to the Roblox creator store where it will go through a review process. Keep in mind that Roblox carefully checks every submission, so approval is not guaranteed and it may take some time. Make sure your track follows all Roblox community guidelines and avoid any explicit, copyrighted, or restricted content. Additionally, you should not be registered with a PRO like ASCAP or BMI for publishing rights when submitting your audio or music. Once everything is submitted, you just need to wait for approval and keep checking your DistroKid dashboard for updates.